Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can enable cookies in Google Chrome browser. So firstly you need to go to your Google Chrome browser. So in order to enable the cookies you have to go to settings. From this three dot option you have to go to settings. After coming to the settings you have to select the privacy and security from the left side. So here as you can see some option: clear browsing data, privacy guide, cookies and other site data. So you have to go to this cookies and other site data. So make sure that you have to select this option, block third-party cookies in incognito, which means when you are using the Google Chrome in incognito mode, so the cookies will be not stored on your browser. So you have to select this option. Then as you can see there is an option in here is a clear cookies and site data when you close all windows. So you have to make sure it is turned off. So which means if you turn this on, it will when you logged into any website, any kind of a website, for example Facebook, YouTube or Google mail, Gmail. So after you close this, then you will be automatically logged out from the website. So you have to make sure that it is turned off. Don't ever turn it on. So this is how you can enable cookies in Google Chrome browser. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.